Okay, hey, hello. Welcome to my channel. Firstly, thumb up, subscribe, right? Okay, you cannot see me still. I am working on my setup really. And yeah, you can save that and progress of that on my channel. But yeah, I want a quick one really today. So I have few Raspberry Pi, and now we have that Gemma 5, right? Gemma 4, sorry, models. And I'm pretty sure that we were able to run that smaller one and the pretty good, and we can grab pretty good value of it. A few things, all of those are like thinking models too, right? So we need to disable that probably, but yeah, let's go and configure that together. So this is my PowerShell, right? Yeah, and where I want to go, yeah, we can go here. So this is my Raspberry Pi, and you can see that I have 8 gigabytes of RAM, and I am using using Debian based Raspberry Pi OS. They name it, yeah, Raspberry Pi OS, something like that. Raspi config, raspi info, right? Wow, it's a lot of info. Here's something on top. Yeah, Raspberry Pi 5 Model B revision 1, right? Debian Raspberry Pi. Okay, so yeah, it's a 8 gigabyte RAM based Raspberry Pi 5, and they are based on ARM chip, if I'm correct. Yeah, so to really have that work, I am pretty sure that llama.cpp will be like the best one, and I'm pretty sure because I already did that. So yeah, llama.cpp is gonna be the best. You can probably use all llama, but you always need to know that the LM Studio llama, it's like a wrapper of llama.cpp. So if you want a quickest and yeah, the best possible way of doing that, then just grab the llama.cpp. It's gonna be the best. By the way, they officially have that web UI, right? So yeah, everything is there that you will need really. So what need to be done? You really should just, you can see that I tested the llama.cpp Python too, but just llama.cpp is gonna be the best way. So you can just git clone, and that was https, right? https and give me a second. GG. Whoa. Maybe I'm wrong here, but I shouldn't write that guy. Yeah, that guy. That's true. So GM llama.cpp. So we can just grab that, right? So you can just grab that one, and it will make that that folder for you. So yeah, you can do that, and then you just need to go to your folder, right? It's gonna be cpp, and you'll find out few things here. What I already done, really to you need to build that, right? So we just copied the files that we need. Then you just need to cmake, right, them and build them, really. So after you will do that, you just need to do build with the config release j4. That will bring you all of the information and all of the files that you will need. One more thing, you will need that model, right? So as you can see here, I download the Gemma 4 E2B, and that one is from Unsloth. The name was Unsloth. Yeah, so let's go to the hanging face, to the models, and Unsloth. Yeah, Unsloth. So you can just grab, and we need those smaller one, right? So I really grab that. E2B. I want that E2B. Yeah, I grabbed that one. So I used that one because it's well prepared, really, to work with llama.cpp, and it's literally small but still intelligent, right? So how to really get that? I prefer to just with a widget download the model, right? So you can click here on the files, and we need that Q4 keyam. It's small enough to use with the context, right? And you can click here and just download it, right? So you can just copy the link if you want, and yeah, you can just with widget download it, right? And it will download a full file, and you will have it, for example, here, but you are not forced to have it here. I like it in one folder, so for me it's, yeah, those Raspberry 5s are really a slap, right? So after you will do that, you should be able to run it. And what I prefer to do is to really run that as service. So even after the reboot, etc., my service will start up as a daemon, right, on the Linux, and yeah, it will be ready to go, right? So yeah, after you will download it, it's always nice to see if it's it, right? So that's the strange name that I downloaded. You can rename it, it's not a problem. I will really delete those one. Okay, so what I really did, it's I put that in the service, right? So as you can see here, you can run it like that, but for me, yeah, for me this one is the main and clue part, right? So as you can see here, there is few things that I prefer to run those one. So I have built in, right, service that will fire up that llama-server, right, CLI command with the model that we just downloaded, right? So this one, and yeah, I prefer the CTX size 4096 for those small, really small one models. And here you can see that I am hosting that because I in the end want to use that in n8n inside my Homelab. Then there is two more variables, really, the flag one, right? So the reasoning budget 0 and chat template quarks enable thinking, and enable thinking is where I am here, and enable thinking is false. So it's a small model. We don't want to be like complex one and really do a complex stuff here, so we don't need a thinking things. But yeah, okay, so after you made the service itself, right, you just really need to reload daemon itself. Daemon reload, right? Or nope. Daemon reload. Oh yeah. So yeah, of course you can reboot, but yeah, I'll just, if I will be in your shoes, I will just daemon reload, because after that we always should enable that if you want to really run that daemon on startup. So just enable that llama service, right? Okay, and yeah, it's enabled, right? So it will create the symlink, and then you can just reboot, and let's wait to this one to just bring to the live after the reboot. By the way, I can give you all these commands if you want, and it's description. Yeah, subscribe, thumb up, and just leave a comment if you need them. Okay, so it looks like it's up already, so let's go there. And let's see systemctl status for llama-server services, right? Okay, it looks like it loads and it's listening. So we can go here, 50.16.80.80, and hello, it's a llama-cpp. So who are you? By the way, you can see my old here tries, but yeah, but it looks like it fully works, right? And this is on Raspberry Pi, but this is not the end, because for my own sake, but I love to connect things like that to n8n. So what you need to do really, if you have anything that is in the end llama-cpp, you can use the OpenAI, because llama-cpp is using the, we can say, OpenAI API. So you can just grab the chat, right, or the chat on new chat event, send a message. That was here. Let's just do quicker one. So message model, right? So what you will need to do to create just a new account, the API, it's really nothing. You can just go and put here test something. You just need something from the n8n perspective, but it will be fully like not used on llama-cpp really. But you need proper URL. So in my case, it's that one, right? So let's, yeah, 8080, because I use 8080 port, and save. Oh, it's trying. Oh yeah, by the way, HTTP. Oh my god. Yeah, let's just delete that one. Let's create the new one, and the test HTTP. You can always just copy paste, right? But yeah, connection tested successfully, right? So here, that it's fully working. You can change the name of it, but you are not forced to, right? and you can see that it's grabbed the information about models. I have one of my or my Raspberry Pi 5, and yeah, prompt hello, just write me a short story, max 2K, right? So yeah, we can execute that. It will connect to our it will connect to our Raspberry Pi, and you can see that Raspberry Pi is like trying, right? But yeah, but it will generate it, and yeah, it's 2K, so it will be like small, really story. So let's just wait till it's gonna end. Maybe that's a very bad example. I should like write really something like, hey, write us a joke, or write us why you should subscribe this channel and tap up, right? But yeah, it will go, it will process it, it will fully grab that history and put it back to n8n. So what we really have been built, we really installed the llama-cpp on the Raspberry Pi 5, 8 gigabytes, via Makes, by the way, so we fully built it. So after that, we downloaded from Unsloth Gemma for model, and we fully automate it, opening that model and running it in the background on our Raspberry Pi via services, and we put that services externally available, right? I mean, externally still fully in my Homelab, but yeah, but everything inside my network in the Homelab will be able to touch it. So for example, n8n is on the different server, right? And it's grabbing that. So yeah, that we have been built together today. I have hope that it's gonna be helpful for you. Yeah, as I told you, I can grab every kind of comments and give it to you in the comments, or even GitHub, etc., etc. So just comment if you want. But yeah, you can see that Raspberry Pi ended, and here you have the full story, right? So it's working. You can use that. Write me a short story why we should subscribe to my awesome YouTube channel. Oops. Yeah, execute, and one more time. All of course, 4 of them, RM based course, kick it off. We still have 2 gigabytes free RAM, by the way, but yeah, for the context, if you want to really chat a little bit more than one sentence and one feedback, then yeah, it's gonna be good to have really. So I have been testing the upper version of Gemma 4, that was F4, right, B, and yeah, you can use that too if it's gonna be like very short conversation or very short task, right? But if you want to like rack things or describe documents, because you can do that with that one, then it's gonna be a problematic one, and you will start to see that that false positive as I really like to call them, response, right? But yeah, but as you can see, this is working, right? And yeah, it should already be close to finish. So let's just try to wait. By the way, we can do exercise, right? New channel, and we can see if it's gonna, yeah, it's generating the Symfony is awesome. Why you need to hit subscribe, right? So you can see here that it's 42, 47, 50 tokens, so 4 tokens per second. Still, it's generating the background, the additional one, right, for that n8n. So let's see. Yeah, our Raspberry Pi, it's still trying and doing the best that it can. You can see here that you can even like work with that with 2 users if they are patient one. But yeah, but you have here awesome new Google made Gemini model that it's fully operating and working, right? So as you can see, you have 4 tokens, right? By the way, the previous one that was without additional task in the background was close to 7 tokens per second. So, and that was the first after the reboot. So maybe let's go with something else. Let's wait till that's gonna go to the end. Maybe already n8n. No, I'm not sure if it will like loop itself. Narrator, why should you subscribe to this channel? That's probably my fault. I never mentioned here how long it should be. Short story should be short story, but you can see here that that short story is not so short. By the way, the n8n one already finished, and that one it's still hanging on 4.4 tokens really per second. It's already generation time, it's close to 2 minutes, right? It generated already 600 tokens, close to. So let's see how long that short story really will be. Then we'll fire up something short one, like very, yeah, give me a short joking or something like that, or just hey, and we'll see how many tokens we'll have, right? So, narrator, so you're ready to upgrade your feed? Are you ready to join the Symphony of Awesome? Don't wait. Click that subscribe button right now. Yeah, by the way, click that subscribe button. So, yeah, smiling brightly. I can wait to create with you. See you in the next video on screen. Tech subscribe, so you even have the information about what should your yeah, you people that's really looking for videos should see on when they are watching it on the screen. Yeah, that was awesome really. So as you can see, it's working, right? So okay, so hi, just hi, and we'll see. Yeah, it's like 7 tokens per second. How can I help you? Who are you, right? Who are you? And it's close to 7 tokens per second. Write me a short joke about IT. Here's a joke for you. Why did the programmer quit this job? Because he get a raise. Good one. And yeah, they love to go with that raise, right? But yeah, but here is that. I have hope that it's gonna be helpful one more time. And still, you can enable thinking things. It will be more precise, but it will take some time to answer really. So yeah, thank you, subscribe, thumb up, and have a wonderful. Cheers.